Hello everyone, welcome to Technical Freak. Hope you are doing good. Today we are unleashing the secrets of turbocharging your PC's performance and liberating valuable space by diving into the world of Windows Update files. If your computer is feeling a bit sluggish or you're constantly running out of storage, you are in the right place. I am about to show you how to boost performance and free up space by strategically deleting those Windows Update files on both Windows 10 and the shiny new Windows 11. Trust me, after this video, your PC will thank you with the lightning fast speed. But before we jump into the tech magic, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay in the loop on the all the things tech. So let's roll. Okay. Um, First of all, you have to search the file explorer and I already opened it from here, and you have to click on this PC, and you need to go to this PC, and you will find C drive where the operating system is already installed. My operating system is installed in C drive, so I am going to click here. Now you will have to find the Windows, and now you will have to double click on it. uh, Now it's a time to search the software distribution folder. Here you go, double click on this. Okay, whatever the updates which has been already installed and you no longer need those files, so simply go to the download and you can remove there all the updates. If you have any Windows update issue, you will resolve it. Okay, click on the downloads and you got this all the applications, um, the junks, the all the caches, you will delete from here. So uh, after deleting all these files, your computer will perform way better than before. So if you like the video, so please hit the like button and share this video with your friends so their computer will also lightning fast, uh, like the McQueen. Um, do let me know if you guys have watched already the McQueen film. That was my favorite film in my childhood. Do you like this? Do let me know in the comment section. Okay, so this is the smallest tutorial for how to boost performance and free up spaces, or you can say deleting Windows update files. So you can delete all the files from here and your computer is good to go. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Stay tuned with us. Goodbye.